With so much uncertainty in the global economy right now, it's understandable to ask, will gold surge or plummet this year? If you're thinking about your retirement savings and how to protect them, this is the perfect question to ask, and it could make all the difference in securing your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of what's coming for gold and how to make the right decision to safeguard your wealth. Before we dive into predictions, let me quickly share that if you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, check out the first link in the description for a free guide that thousands of Americans are using to protect their assets with gold IRAs. This guide is perfect for retirees looking to diversify their portfolios and secure long-term peace of mind. Now, let's talk about gold. As you probably know, gold has long been a safe haven in times of economic turmoil. With the ongoing concerns about inflation, government debt, and market instability, gold's reputation as a stable investment only seems to be growing. This year, we are seeing an increase in demand for gold, driven by investors looking for a safe bet amidst market volatility. That's why, even in uncertain times, gold tends to perform better than other assets. But the question remains, will it surge or will it plummet? There are several factors to consider when predicting the future of gold prices. First, global inflation continues to weigh heavily on the markets. As central banks work to control inflation, we often see the value of traditional currencies fluctuate. This has historically pushed investors to look for alternatives, and gold is often the go-to choice. In fact, many retirees are choosing gold IRAs to protect their assets from inflationary pressure, as gold is a proven hedge against rising prices. Another factor to keep an eye on is the Federal Reserve's monetary policy. When interest rates rise, it often means gold prices will dip in the short term. However, in today's world, we are seeing a balancing act between trying to control inflation and preventing an economic downturn. As a result, many experts predict that gold could see some ups and downs, but over the long term, it will likely trend higher due to these macroeconomic challenges. It's also worth mentioning that geopolitical tensions and global instability play a major role in gold's movements. If we look back at previous periods of political unrest or economic crises, gold's price tends to surge as people move their wealth into safe, tangible assets. This trend could continue if international relations worsen or if there are more disruptions to the global supply chain. Now, let's take a quick look at some other options. While stocks and bonds can offer returns, they come with significant risks, especially in volatile markets. The reality is, these investments are often impacted by broader economic conditions in ways that gold simply isn't. So, if you want something that can help you weather economic storms, a gold IRA stands out as an excellent option compared to these traditional investments. As you consider the potential for gold to surge or plummet this year, remember that the long-term outlook for gold remains strong, particularly as we continue to see inflation concerns and global uncertainty. And while there are risks with any investment, a gold IRA could offer you the protection you need in an unpredictable environment. If you're serious about protecting your wealth, especially if you have $100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even up to $5 in savings, I strongly encourage you to take a look at that free gold IRA guide linked below. It's an excellent resource for those who want to diversify their portfolios and make sure their wealth is in safe hands. Gold may not be the only option, but for retirees looking for security, it's by far one of the most effective. With the right strategy, you can secure your future and avoid the risks that come with traditional investments in uncertain times. Thanks for watching, and if you're ready to take the next step in protecting your wealth with a gold IRA, make sure to grab that free guide in the description. It could be the best decision you make this year.